Attention, everybody. Here's to Flora.
And to your safe return to Earth, Commander.
Sit this one out.
Jack, how is JB?
Oh, he's about as bad-tempered as ever.
Oh, that's not true. You know there's nobody in this world who cares more about you.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, by the way, Vince, the old man sent you his very best regards in his own inimitable way.
Thank you. He'll be glad to get the news that Lisa and I are going to be married next week. You can tell him personally.
Congratulations, I'll tell him. Lisa, I wish you every happiness. Commander, may I dance with your fiancée?
Please do.
I got it.
Jack, try to remember I'm engaged. Why can't you and Vince forget what happened?
He's the one that's carrying the grudge. I've done about all I could.
Well, you didn't have to report him so that he had to face a board of inquiry.
Yeah, but we both know the report was true. He's a nice guy, Liz. The problem is he's too nice to be a commanding officer.
Was it a mistake not to want to sacrifice one of his own men? You would have done exactly the same.
I doubt it. And if I had, I wouldn't bitch about it all over the place. After all, he sacrificed 10 men to save one. That's a pretty stupid mistake.
And don't think it hasn't almost destroyed him. It's killing him, and you haven't helped any.
You're making a big mistake, Lisa. You don't love Vince, you pity him.
I'm very happy with him.
You're lying. You love me.
I told you you had an incredible ego, but it's more than that. It's unbelievable. Excuse me.
There's trouble, sir, in the lab.
What kind of trouble?
I think you'd better come, sir.
All right, follow me. The rest of you stay here and we can handle it.